Nagkamali ka ba ng tin sa Facebook payout po? Don't worry, pwede nimo ipa-update. Ilagay lang ang tamang tin og upload og tin ID or BRR certificate. Easy ra kay, di ba? Tara, let's go. Punta tayo sa ating Facebook. I-click lang natin yan, guys. Pagkatapos nan, guys, i-click ang ating profile. And then, i-click natin ang ating professional dashboard. Ayan, guys. And then, ito na, guys, yung support. I-click natin yan, guys. Nag-loading. At saka pipiliin mo yung monetization. Ayan, guys. I-click lang natin. And then, monetization payouts. Atong i-search. Okay? Mag-search muna tayo. Payouts. Then, i-click natin ang done. And then, ayan na. Makita natin ang monetization and payouts. I-click lang natin yan. Pagkatapos nun, guys, ayan. Using payout account information. So, i-click lang natin itong may arrow, guys. Ayan. And then, scroll down lang tayo, guys. Scroll down. Ayan. Update your tax ID or company name. O, ayan. I-click natin ang contact us. Pagkatapos nun, guys, what product are you having an issue with? So, pipiliin natin ang game app, developer, audience, network, publisher, or sana sa diyan, hindi na maklaro kay nag-redline ng mga akong cellphone, guys. Ayan, i-click lang natin siya, guys. And then, company name as register with Facebook. So, kung ano yung name, nilagay mo dyan sa Facebook mo, yun po yung ilalagay nyo dapat. Complete name, ha? Churaline. Akin lang sample lang yan, guys. Pagkaura. Wait lang. Big letter muna. Pagaura. And then, what product you are having an issue with. So, ang pipiliin natin, guys, ay stars, game, or tipping. O, i-click lang natin yung stars. Ayan, guys, i-click. Tapos, pagkatapos lang, guys, another na naman. Company name. So, name ulit. Name ulit niyo, ha. Ito akin yung name. Ilalagay ko, Geraldine Pagaura. Ay, naman eh. Nansa naman eh. And then, what product are you having an issue with? So, stars ang pipiliin ko. Ayan, star. Click. And then, what can we help you with? So, ang pipiliin natin, guys, kasi din ID yung may issue or i-update natin sa atong pipiliin ay account update or account information payout method ang ating pipiliin. So, i-click natin yan, guys. Ayan. Another naman, what type of update would you like to make? Okay, ang pipiliin natin, guys, is update my tax information. So, ayan, i-click lang natin yun, guys. Pagkatapos na isulat niyo yung email address niyo, guys, na ginagamit sa inyong Facebook account. And then, wag na lang yung ilagyan, guys. Dito na tayo sa new tax ID. So, ilagay niyo yung new TIN number niyo, guys, dito sa sample nito sa akin na. Oh. Yan, sample lang yan sa akin, guys. And then, ayan ko anong, tapos dapat mag-message kayo, guys, kung ano ilagay niyo, guys. Ito ang akin, guys, ha. Copy-paste ko. Ayan, guys. Hi, Facebook payout support. I entered the wrong TIN in my payout account. Please update with the correct TIN. Insert yung TIN nyo. Tapos, I've uploaded my TIN document for verification. Thank you for your help. O, yung name nyo, kayo na lang bahala kung ano ilagay nyo. Tapos, i-download nyo dito yung TIN ID or BRR receipts dito sa choose files, and then isend nyo, guys. Ayan lang, guys. Ganun lang kasimple, guys. Maghintay lang kayo, guys, ng 3 to 7 days, guys.